I'm from Andhra Pradesh, madam.
Okay, sir.
Are you from Manson's customer care, madam?
Yes, this is a Mansion House customer care number.
Yes, of course, madam. What I am telling is I am drinking Manson's, madam.
Very good, sir. Everybody has gone for lunch.
Just spare me for 2 minutes, madam. What is the Manson's, madam? It's very beautiful, madam. I am drinking the Manson's with water, and it's very nice, madam. And I'm not able to get a taste also, madam. I'm drinking water only where I'm drinking Manson's. That much of taste is there, madam. I'm giving a very good compliment to Manson's, madam.
Thank you, sir. We would like you to repeat the compliment in our customer care department. Kindly call up after 2 o'clock, please.
2 o'clock, madam?
Yes, sir.
After 2 o'clock, I call means who will pick up the call, madam?
Give it to the concerned person, sir.
Okay, madam. I am just giving compliment, madam. It's